Hello and welcome to our video on why do earthquakes occur. Did you know that the Earth experiences an average of 500,000 earthquakes each year? These powerful and destructive natural events can cause immense damage and loss of life. And understanding what causes them is crucial. In this video, we'll explore the science behind earthquakes and examine the various factors that contribute to their occurrence. The Earth's structure. The Earth is made up of several layers, including the crust, mantle, and core. The crust, which is the outermost layer, is divided into tectonic plates that are in constant motion. These plates can collide, move apart, or slide past each other, causing seismic activity, including earthquakes. Did you know that the largest earthquake ever recorded occurred in Chile in 1960 and had a magnitude of 9.5 on the Richter scale? That's equivalent to the energy released by more than 2 billion tons of TNT. Plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is the study of the movement and interactions of the Earth's tectonic plates. When two plates collide, one plate can be forced underneath the other, creating a subduction zone. This can cause a buildup of pressure and eventually result in an earthquake. A fascinating story about plate tectonics involves the Himalayan mountains. Did you know that the Himalayas are still growing taller each year because of plate tectonics? The Indian subcontinent is slowly colliding with the Asian continent, and the force of this collision is pushing up the Himalayas at a rate of about 1 centimeter per year. Other factors. While plate tectonics is the primary cause of earthquakes, there are other factors that can contribute to their occurrence. For example, human activities such as drilling and mining can cause small earthquakes known as induced seismicity. Additionally, volcanic eruptions and landslides can trigger earthquakes in certain circumstances. Did you know that the largest earthquake ever recorded in the United States was in Alaska in 1964 and had a magnitude of 9.2 on the Richter scale? It caused a massive tsunami that devastated coastal communities and resulted in over 100 deaths. In conclusion, earthquakes are a complex phenomenon with many contributing factors. By understanding the science behind earthquakes, we can better predict and mitigate their effects and protect ourselves and our communities from their destructive power. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.